Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. Katrina here, and today we are going to be creating these little butterfly post earrings, which are absolutely adorable. So let's jump right into what we will need to create these earrings, and that is going to be a 20 gauge wire of your choice, and today I'm using a rose gold copper center wire. We have a file to smooth down the end of the post, and for our tools we will be needing a pair of chain nose pliers, our round nose pliers, and some wire cutters. Now pause the video, go grab your tools and your supplies, and let's get started. To begin, we're going to pull out a length of wire, and using our round nose pliers, we're going to create a tiny loop at the very tip of our pliers in the very end of the wire. Then readjusting the wire in the pliers, we are going to place it now at the very base of the jaw of the pliers to create a larger loop. We want to leave a little bit of space between that first loop that we created and then bend the wire around to create a teardrop shape. And now we have created our first half of the butterfly. We're going to do this on the other side, creating a large loop, and we want to make sure that when we bring the wire around for this large loop, that we bring the wire across the top of our design and then down the center of the butterfly. With this second loop created, we can adjust it so that it matches the first one, so that both sides are identical. And then we are going to create a second tiny loop like we did with the first one. Slightly bending the wire over so we have room to fit our pliers in. We are then going to bend this wire around and make sure that you bend the wire underneath the entire design, as this is where we will then create the post. Holding the design with our chain nose pliers, we will then bring that long end of the wire directly down straight out from the design to create the post. Then using our wire cutters, we can cut off the extra wire to the length of our post, and I usually cut the post to be about 1/2 inch long. Make sure you file the end of the post. We want it to be super smooth. Make sure you test it with your finger to make sure that it is completely round and there are no rough or sharp edges. And now we can go back in if we want to and do any adjusting or moving of the loops that we need to. And with that, we have created our first butterfly earring. Repeat all of these steps to create the second earring and complete the set. And then you will have finished creating these butterfly post earrings. These were super simple, so fast and easy to make, and I hope you enjoyed creating them as much as I did. Give this video a thumbs up and then go check out my channel if you want to see more tutorials like this, and be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell so you're notified every time I bring out a new tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this wire jewelry design, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.